Alright, now let's move on to section B. Okay, I'm going to split this up into two sections, and the first part will be from question 16 to 26, and then you can take a break and then go on from the rest from 27 to 40. Okay, so question 16. Arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So I'm going to list them all down in order. So 11039, 1390, 11309, 1309. Okay, so the biggest would be this one, followed by this one, then this one, and this one. Okay, so the greatest would be 11,309, followed by 11,039, then 1,390, and 1,309. Question 2. Second common multiple of 4 and 5. So we need to find the first common multiple of 4 and 5. Okay, so we're going to list multiples of 4 would be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And you can see now where I'm going. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. So the first common multiple is 20. The second, okay, would be 20 and 40. So the second common multiple, 40. Or I can just take 20 times 2, 40. Okay, let me write this 20 better. Okay. Question 18. 34 boxes of robots. One box, 135 robots. So to find the total number of robots, 135 times 34. So 20, 12, 14, 540. Put a 0. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. 1 times 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 0, 9. 4,590 robots. Next, take 2 whole minus 2 9 minus 1 12. So we can start by adding this together. Okay, 2 9 plus 1 12. We need to change the 9 and 12 to a common multiple, the common denominator, which would be 36. So 8 36 plus 3 36 would give you 11 36. So 2 minus 11 36 would be 125 over 36. So 125 over 36. Next, 4 chicken wings that Avril has is 2/3 of the total number. So you see the fraction 3. I'm going to draw a model with 3 parts. Okay, so whenever you see a fraction in a question like this, you see the denominator 3, you draw a model with 3 parts. And 2 parts here is 4. So how many chicken wings in total? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 chicken wings all together. Angle A. Okay, so this is a corner of a rectangle. So both angles add up to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 36 degrees will give you 54 degrees. So angle A, 54 degrees. Question 22. We will check this back in school. Okay, now let's look at question 23. Aunt Eliza has 48 sweets and 45 candies. And she's going to pack them so that each box has an equal number of sweets and equal number of candy. So how many boxes does she use? This is a question that asks for common factor. And this common factor will be the number of boxes. Okay, so let's look at the factors of 48. Then after that, we can look at the factors of 45. Okay. And so 48 is your sweets and 45 is your candies. So let's see. 48 we have 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8. Okay. And for 45 we have 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. And we see that only one number is the same for both, and that is 3. And so that means she uses 3 boxes. Okay. And each box has 16 sweets, 15 candies. Okay. Now let's go on to question 24. Rachel has a toy factory. The toy factory is able to make 4,280 toys a month. And then she's going to take these 4,280 toys and divide them across 8 stores. So each store gets how many toys? 4,280 divided by 8. So let's work this out. Okay. 5, 40, 28. 3, 24, 40. 5, 40, 0. So 535. So each store receives 535 toys, right? Question 25. Mr. Adnan has a party. Every third visitor, that means first, second, third visitor gets a sweet. And then every fourth visitor gets a drink. Which visitor will get both a sweet and drink? That means we are looking at the first common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, so let's look at the multiples of 3, and we're going to keep counting until we get to a number that can be divided by 4. Then we know that's our answer. Okay, so let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12. Aha! I know that 12 can be divided by 4. So I will stop here. This is my answer. Okay. The 12th visitor, okay, will get both a sweet and a drink. Right? Last question for the first section. Okay, before we go for a little break. Xavier buys 1 bowl and 5 spoons, and he's going to pay $36 for everything. Okay, so let's see, we have a bowl and 5 spoons. So each spoon is 1 unit. And each bowl is $6 more than a spoon. So 1 unit here, plus an extra $6. Everything costs $36. How much is 1 spoon? So we need to remove this to make all the units the same. So $36 minus $6, $30. So $30 for 6 units. So I'm going to divide by 6. I will get $5. So 1 spoon is $5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And if the question asks you for the cost of a bowl, the bowl would be $11. Okay, then the spoon is $5, right?